Hello, friends. One day, a person was driving to a place in his car. That day, he was driving the car by himself and he was traveling alone. The weather was beautiful that day, so he was enjoying his time by listening to some of his favorite songs. But suddenly, he heard a sound from his car. Tuck, 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 and his car broke down. Initially, the man tried to start his car with his keys 2-3 times. But the car wasn't starting at all. Then he got down from his car and opened the bonnet to check the issue. But he could not understand anything. He wondered what happened to the car suddenly. How did it break down? Then the man started asking the passerby to help him. Some did stop. They tried to push the car to help him. But the car did not budge and refused to start. Then somebody suggested to him that there is a mechanic's garage nearby. We should approach him. The mechanic came. The mechanic opened the bonnet and joined a wire. Then what? The car started. The man was very happy. So he took out 2 notes of 100 rupees each and he thought to himself that 100 rupees will be handed over to the mechanic as his fees and then the other note as a tip for his service. When the car owner took out the notes and asked the mechanic, "How much does it cost?" The mechanic replied, "Sir, it's 500 rupees. Hearing this, the car owner was extremely shocked and he replied in a dry tone, 500 rupees? For what? You have only joined a wire." The mechanic said, "You are absolutely right, sir. But which is the right wire that needs to be joined was only known to me. Neither did you know, nor did the passerby manage to resolve the issue. If you knew it, then you would not have had to travel so long. It has taken years for me to acquire this knowledge. I have opened thousands of cars and repaired them. It's only then that I have been able to gain expertise. This 500 rupees are my fees for the knowledge gained over the years." The car owner was shocked listening to this explanation. Then he thought something and handed over the 500 rupees note to the mechanic and left the place in his car. He thought how a mechanic today taught him a big lesson in life. No matter what the job is, its real value is in the fact that you pay for it dexterity and expertise. Whether it's a chef cooking in a hotel daily or a mother cooking for her family every single day, both of them gain expertise in cooking the dishes they wish to, and we remember them for their contribution and appreciate them. I remember that my maternal grandma used to always say, "The yummy moong dal halwa is the toughest to make, because it needs to be roasted and cooked well, and the timing and the amount of water to be added also matters a lot." Those who take a lot of interest to learn how to cook it well, learn it only after making it a few times and gradually becomes an expert in making the moong dal halwa. Friends, doesn't this fact apply to many of the areas in life? One needs to put his heart and soul in learning any kind of skill in life. First focus and then practice. Tell me, what is the difference between an amateur and an expert? Amateur means being inept, who is trying to learn all aspects of the job, and expert is the one who has achieved the peak of excellence. There is only one difference between the two, which is the level of practice. People who tend to quit their practice all of a sudden due to some reason, they lost their ability to improve their skill. And those who continue their practice gain the required dexterity and grow in life. The renowned tabla maestro Shri Zakir Hussain had also said his mentor used to not appreciate him so easily. He would always say, "Keep practicing." The Nightingale of India, who lived in our hearts over decades, the Queen of Melody, Srimati Lata Mangeshkar ji, kept practicing and singing even the last days of his life. Be it an artist, a sportsperson, or a student. Remember, there is no shortcut to gain dexterity. The psychologists say that when we perform any task, then there are two things to be considered: the job or the skill to perform that task and job, and the challenges involved in performing that task. Suppose we don't have the required skill, then we will be very scared to perform that task. We will lose our confidence and also worry. Suppose we are capable and talented and the task is very easy for us to perform, then there is no fun in doing it. Friends, please remember, there is only one formula to gain excellence in a task. We need to have the skill to perform it, and the task should also be challenging enough. For this, we need to consider few facts. Do we have keen interest in performing this task? Or are we performing this task because we are forced by someone? Are we interested in performing this task? Or do we get bored performing it? Are we completely focused while performing this task? Or are we distracted all the time? Are we taking efforts and working hard enough to learn this skill and gain expertise? Do we genuinely feel happy while doing this job? If the answer to all these questions is yes, then no one can keep you away from achieving the growth and success you desired. Focus, determination, hard work can help you gain the desired dexterity and the success you wanted. In the new movie of Hema Foundation on dexterity, we will focus on these important areas and we will realize that the key to success is to be capable and efficient. Thank you.